Hi everyone. So today we're gonna talk about the Big Bang Theory. So what is it? First, we need to talk about what a scientific theory is versus what an everyday theory is. So when we think about or hear the word theory, you might be thinking about a point of view, a belief system, or a theory that may vary among different cultures, or accept a knowledge that does not need peer review or verification. But a scientific theory is different. A scientific theory is not a guess, it's not a hunch or a hypothesis or a speculation. It's a theory based on hypotheses and based on scientific evidence. Then all knowledge coming from a scientific theory must have been peer reviewed and verified by other scientists. So when we're talking about the Big Bang Theory, it's not an everyday theory, it's more of a theory. It's a theory that has a lot of evidence backed up behind it, and it's a theory that has been peer reviewed by and verified by other scientists as well. So, what is the Big Bang Theory? The Big Bang Theory is the most widely supported theory today and about the origin of the universe. So, it states that about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe expanded from a very small, hot, and dense point, kind of like this. And we call this a singularity. And since then, scientists believe that the universe has been slowly expanding. That's why the Big Bang is a misnomer, meaning the origin of the universe is not believed to have been a big bang or an explosion, but more of a slow expansion of space. So take out your notepad and write this down. The Big Bang Theory is a theory that the universe started from a small, hot, dense point and is expanding.